Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So today I want to do a fun collage with you. I have something kind of in mind, but we'll see where it takes us, because that's always fun. I love doing that with you guys. So let's see what we're going to start off with here for the base. So I got 5x7 watercolor paper here, mixed media paper. And everything I mentioned, most of the things I mentioned, will be down in my Amazon links below. Like this, and some gel matte medium, and I'm not sure what else we're going to use today. Maybe even some Fabrifix glue, or some art glitter glue. So stuff like that should be down in my links, so go check them out if you would like. Okay, so I got that, and then I got a napkin, tea bags, and the other day with you guys, I showed you guys how to print off flowers from your garden. So I have those that I fussy cut out. So that's what started this whole thing. And I'm like, you know, I want to make I think this would be a great journal cover. You know, start with the base of the mixed media paper here. And we'll do some, decoupaging and do, collaging and stuff. And I kind of wanted to see where it takes us. I even got some watercolors out, so maybe. So I just kind of got a bunch of just different collage stuff out, and let's just put it together and see what happens. I got some tea and coffee dyed fabrics too thrown in there. And yeah, let's just start from there and see what we can do. Okay, I also have some wax paper down, just so I don't make a mess on my table here. And I think we're just gonna start, so I want it like this, because it could be a journal cover, is kind of what I was keeping in mind, but it could even be, a page in your journal, or you can frame it and, make it just something that you hang up, and I think that would look great too. So let's see here. Here, we could do this old trick. We just take some water and just kind of outline where you want it to go when you rip it. So like I said, I'm just this is just loosely have an idea and just see where it takes us, No pressure. Sometimes you just want to sit down and craft and not really have a huge agenda about it and just play with your stuff and see where it goes, Because, this could be a big flop or it could be a big win. There's only one way to find out, right? So I just love just kind of doing that, where it's just not all, just planned out to the T, and just kind of see what happens here. You can always start over. It's not like the end of the world. But this is the gel matte medium, and it works great. I love it. It's great for collaging and all that stuff. And it kind of gives it like a cool plastic seal to it. So you can even go on top here, and it gives it a really cool look, and it dries clear. So that's why I love it. I'm going through it so fast. It's like I'm going to have to get some more. I'm loving it. I'm using it. It's always nice when you get something that you actually use, Instead of put it away and forget about it. It's like, this stuff's pretty nice. Okay. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go through, see what I got. I know I like the tea bag here. And also gloves aren't a bad idea. I'm going to go ahead and slip my gloves on, and I'm just going to start putting some stuff down on a time lapse, and then I'll come back and show you guys and see what I've done. And there we go. I just want to show you guys so far. I did some netting that was coffee dyed and some cheesecloth I just glued down. And then I used my Fabrifix glue for like the heavier fabrics and stuff like that. So this is Fabrifix glue and it works great. So I just did that to glue that down, tea bags underneath, some napkins, and just kind of just doing a little collage here. And I'm thinking about maybe putting some watercolors down and then putting the flowers on top. So let's see, we'll go from there. I think that turned out really cool. So it's kind of fun. I put some watercolors on the fabrics and just did that just to blend them in. Okay, I'm gonna go dry this with my heat gun and I'll be right back. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys I got this far, and I went ahead and tacked those down with the Fabrifix glue. And what I want to do first here is take my RIT dye, which it's like a concentrate dye that you can use on fabrics and papers and different things like that, and they have all different colors. This is wine, and I have wine and black mixed in my spray bottle here. So I want to do a little spritzing, just to give it a little more grunge to it. But you can use your oxides or, you know, whatever you have. So that just gives it a little something here. Okay. And then you could take your... Actually, it'd be kind of cool to take this, because then I can collage with it later. So you can take it and just dab it. And that'd be fun to collage with later. Just give it a little dab. There, I think that gave it a little grunge. Okay, so we got that. And then what I want to do, I'm going to dry it, make sure it's all dry, and then take my gel matte medium and just do it all over the whole top, just to seal it all in. All right, so today we made a little mixed media folio, is what I'll call it. And what I did is I took the mixed media paper and went over and just sewed it around on my sewing machine with the fancy just zigzag stitch. And then I glued it, or I went ahead and took walnut stain, oxide, just walnut stain, and went around the edges of each one and then glued them down. And I think it turned out really cool. I would love to have you guys hit the thumbs up if you're liking this video. That helps me out so much. And make sure to comment below. That really does help me get the video out more. And people can check this out and make some fun. So this is just a junk mail flyer that I get in the mail. And I keep them because they're really cool cardstock. And then plus putting the mixed media paper on it, it gives it like a really nice, so, you know, it's like solid. I love it. It's like secure and solid, and who knew I was going to make this? So I love just winging it and kind of having an idea and then just going with it, you know, and just seeing what happens. And this is cool. I mean, you can use up your scraps, which is nice, and just go out and get some flowers from your garden, which is fun. So I'd like to know in the comments below if you guys would like to see a playlist of me, you know, each time we could do a page in here and maybe add some papers just to have little papers in here. So that's the front, and there's the back of it. So we got the cover done. So let me know in the comments, please, please, please. The more comments, the better down there, and I will definitely do a playlist of a mixed media folio, is what I'll call it. And we'll just do each little page and see where we get and how it turns out. I don't know either. I think it'd be fun. So I want to add, I got my ruffles here. Let's see. So I just put it on a wine cork. And if you want to see how I do my ruffles, I could put the video up in the right-hand corner if you guys want to come check them out. And I love the rainbow. I think it turned out really cool. I like the rainbow. I did black thread in the front and then some rainbow thread in the bobbin. So then you could see the little colors coming through. Just the rainbow colors and stuff. I don't know if you can see that. So it's kind of fun. So I think maybe we'll do rainbow ruffle here. Let's see. I know I have part of it. I love that. I did different stitches throughout. And I love this one. It looks like rainbows. So that might be fun. So you could grab any part that you want. And I think I'm going to stick this one down. We'll cut it here. And, careful, don't cut your threads on your journal. Okay. And then this just wrapped around the wine cork, which is kind of cool. So save your wine corks. They come in handy. Okay. I just wrap it around and then just take my needle or my little pen here and pop it through. And just be careful, don't pop it too far through because you don't want to poke yourself. So I just kind of put it through like that. And it stays. Okay, a little fabric fix. And if you want, you can cut the threads off or just keep them. I kind of like them dangling. Which way do I want to go? I think I'll go this way. It doesn't matter. And I think that's kind of fun on the outside, like that. Just kind of adds to the cover, ties it all together. So yeah, so incorporate some fabrics, you know, some sewing, some papers, and some napkins, and just different, you know, fun little things you could just throw all together, make a fun collage cover, and do some mixed media, which is pretty fun. Here, let's make sure, there we go. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informational. And if you could, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.